The letter E. E stands for elephant. The elephant was excited about the eggs. Ready to write? Let's get started with proper posture. Feet on the floor. Sit up straight. Remember to use the tripod grip. Here's how you hold your pencil if you're right-handed. And if you're left-handed, you need to grip the pencil just a little higher from the point so you can see what you've written. If you're right-handed, position your paper with the right side slanted up slightly. If you're left-handed, slant the left side up slightly. Let's write a lowercase e. Put your pencil on the baseline and curve up to the right. Turn to the left as you touch the dotted line, then curve down toward the baseline and end with a smile. Write the letter E in the air. Let's practice. Now let's write an uppercase E. It looks like a printed E with curves. Put your pencil just below the top line. Curve back to the left and then inward at the dotted line. Retrace back out from the dotted line, then curve out to the left, down to the baseline. End by curving up along the baseline. It looks like a backwards 3 with a smile. Write the letter E in the air. Let's practice. Now let's connect our E's. Both lowercase and uppercase E connect with their smiles. Write an uppercase E and connect it to a lowercase e. Let's write the Spanish word edad. Edad means age in Spanish. Have fun practicing your new cursive writing skills!